Good news for thick-billed parrot people in Mexico. The population of this gorgeous avian citizen is increasing in the protected habitat of the Sierra Madre Occidental old-growth forest in northwest Mexico. The increase is due to extensive reforestation and protection efforts by the National Commission of Protected Natural Areas, CONANP, a federal agency under Mexico's Environment Ministry, the civil organization Organización Vida Silvestre, or OVIS, and local people from the state of Chihuahua who are in the first line of defense against wildfires that threaten the endangered bird folk's habitat. Local brigades patrol the remote forests, collecting flammable organic material and building breaks to prevent wildfires. Parrot people are extremely important for the distribution of pine tree seeds, and without them, the ecology would be devastated. Thick-billed parrot numbers now stand at 2,500 individuals, 10% higher than 12 years ago. Mexico is a Shining World Leadership Award for Environmental Protection Laureate and recipient, a Shining World Leadership Award for Compassion recipient, and a Shining World Leadership Award for Good Governance Laureate. Many thanks, Mexico, and all involved in the conservation effort. May the thick-billed parrot people's population continue to rise in celestial peace.